I'm Chad from Ultimate Automotive. For over 19 years, we've been building relationships on a foundation of stability and trust. Looking out for our customers because you are our family. Upfront pricing and great service. That's what you can expect from us with convenient east and west side locations.
This morning, a Keloland nonprofit is helping the medical community with the fight against COVID-19. The details are just ahead.
And we have the details on how you can put a smile on someone's face today. Good morning, this is Keloland on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
We have the latest on the spread of COVID-19 across South Dakota. According to the State Department of Health, the number of positive cases of COVID-19 has risen to 730 across the state, an increase of 104 from Saturday.
The number of deaths remains at 6. There are now 197 recovered. Minnehaha County has 527 cases, accounting for 72% of all cases in the state. 293 of the 527 cases in Minnehaha County are people who work at Smithfield. That's over 55% of all cases in the county. Overall, 40% of all cases in the state of South Dakota are people who work at Smithfield. Governor Kristi Noem is expected to give a news conference at 11 a.m. today. We'll be there to bring you the latest on COVID-19 in South Dakota.
Smithfield Foods in Sioux Falls is closing its doors indefinitely. This comes after South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem and Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenhaken recommended they suspend operations for at least 14 days.
I've been in this community for 25 years, and I know people that have been working there that long. It is the lifeline of a lot of people in our community. A lot of people in our community depend on Smithfield. It's a very important part of our economy. And what was happening with all the stories that people were calling to tell us just was not fair. They needed to be heard, and they needed for somebody to step forward and make sure that they were safe.
The South Dakota Dream Coalition is an immigrant advocacy group hoping to tell the stories of Smithfield employees and to help them too.
To hear from the coalition about the impacts COVID-19 is having on Smithfield employees, head to this story on Keloland.com.
Well, winter popped back into Keloland over the weekend, but how long will it stick around?
Let's find out with meteorologist Brian Carsoons. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning. Well, it's going to last a little while. We certainly have that in the air today, 30-degree weather. A lot of that, too, being impacted by some snow on the ground. And speaking of snow, weekend report. Sioux Falls area, well, between 5.5 and 6.5 inches, depending on what side of town you live on. Del Rapids had about 4.5. Spearfish, 9. Yeah, along the Nebraska border, like Avon had about 8. Mitchell, 7. Yeah, so certainly some numbers that popped up. But Aberdeen, Watertown kind of missed out on a lot of that. And I think that for today, we'll have some snow spots on radar returning, some snow showers. The wind will return to 15 to 30. We'll check that and the rest of your forecast in a few minutes.
Thanks, Brian. With the number of COVID-19 cases in South Dakota growing every day, one nonprofit organization in Flandreau has shifted its focus from baseball to doing what they can to help fight the pandemic.
Helping Kids Round First began donating baseball equipment to kids in Nicaragua over a decade ago. They've since expanded to help with projects focused on women's empowerment, agriculture, and even health care. Founder Craig Sievertson says hospitals will donate older equipment to the organization to send to the Central American country. However, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the organization has shifted gears to help the medical community right at home.
Avera will be coming on Monday to see what all we have. We got, you can imagine, tons of beds, exam tables, wheelchairs, walkers, canes, crutches, and we've shipped high-tech machines. So anyway, we've made this open that during this health crisis, if anything can be used, you're welcome to all this.
Sievertson says for the time being, they won't be shipping anything to Nicaragua as a safety precaution for both those who package the equipment and for those in Nicaragua who receive the equipment.
However, they are still sending money donations to Nicaragua. The organization has already given 2 ventilators to Avera. If you'd like to find out more about the organization and how you can help, visit this story on KELOLAND.com. Well, one Sioux Falls family is hoping to bring some encouragement to the city, one sign at a time.
For 3 weeks, the Huber family has been making signs with varying messages such as "We're in this together" and "Together apart." They set the signs up in front of the New Hope Messiah Church for anyone to take.
We're just trying to put smiles back into people's lives, basically one sign at a time. We came up with this idea maybe 3 weeks ago, and we've just been continually making signs, trying to put them out here on the weekends. This is our 3rd batch, and they've gone over really good. So
Yeah.
It's fun to do. It's enlightening and humbling.
The signs are on the lawn in front of the church on the corner of Madison and Tahoe Trail. Well, we have a way for you to support your local business and even put a smile on someone's face.
That's right. Every Monday in April, KELOLAND Media Group is teaming up with Life 96.5 for the Drive Thru Difference. When you are going through the drive-thru or picking up takeout, all you have to do is pay for the person behind you. Brian, a good way to spread some good.
Absolutely. Love doing that. Yep, Mondays here in April, so good opportunity to do that. And with the cold weather, yeah, we're going to deal with that today, no doubt about it. We've got a couple of spots on radar, too, that will be showing up. Futurecast tries to signal at that here through midday. Again, I'll advertise these as bursts of snow. Wind is out there, too. It's not quite as bad as it was last week. Remember about Wednesday or so, we had quite a bit of wind and some of those snow squalls. But this is something similar to that. So we do want to make sure we're clear about that you're going to notice those intervals of changing weather today as the clouds brew up and the snow comes in, then it rolls right back out. A lot of that will settle down tonight. We'll lose some of the clouds. It'll be cold. Lows will be down in the teens for most of us again. And tomorrow we brew up a few more clouds in the afternoon. Can't rule out a little snow there in the west late in the day and then into early Wednesday. A little better chance of that. But overall, the pattern not too bad on precipitation. 35 today in Sioux Falls, 36 in Aberdeen, 35 in Pierre, and the 7-day forecast. If you're in search of warmer weather, we have it. I think by the weekend we're back in the 60s, but it's going to take all week just to moderate. 40s by Wednesday. I do expect Pierre and Aberdeen also to moderate slowly but surely. Mid-50s by Friday in Aberdeen. And once we get to the weekend, then we're going to be in a good pattern for a while. Looks like Pierre also will join the pack in the 60s there by Saturday. And Rapid City, too. Snow melting away pretty quickly the next couple of days. And return to spring-like weather. Guys?
All right, thanks, Brian, and thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air from midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up-to-the-minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Have a great day.